Nigerian lady cries out after escaping poison from her close friends. Anyways, guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Me na K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you take come across this video, if not the first time this way to stop for this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. So my people, make we dive inside the matter for today. My people, this one no be matter wey take the jolly eye heart like that, because e just tell us say the world is wicked. In fact, the people wey dey live inside this world na wicked set of people dey. In fact, trust none. Take your life put only for your hand alone, because as you take your life take put for another person hand, na im be say you don expose your life to the public. My people, me no know what is happening. Na some weeks ago wey we come out come talk about some popular DJ for Nigeria, my people, wey im close friends take poison am sitting in Lagos, e go RIP. Na so this lady don come out come dey cry my people. She come say she miss death. I can't see the matter. I say, but what is happening? Like, what is really happening? What is the world turning into? You cannot trust anybody anymore. Do not put your hands before anybody, because my people, the matter just dey pain me. Anyways, before we want take our mouth talk on top this matter well, my people, I go leave una make una watch the video. We go talk after the video.
Okay, good morning guys, good morning everyone. A quick one. Something just happened and I just feel like, okay, I just need to talk about it. Like, I need to come live, because this thing, by this to happen in movies, like I see it in movies, and then I didn't know that it could happen very close to me. So I woke up this morning and I went online and news about the death of this famous hype man, this guy that does this one for the hype man stuff. So I saw the news that the guy was poisoned to death. I was so shocked. And so according to the news, they said it was people very close to him that poisoned him, and the guy died. So me and my neighbors, we were talking about it this morning, and we're out of the whole shock and everything. We're like, people can be wicked, and how can someone do that to you when the person is close, when you've not even done anything to the person? So I was walking inside my room. I don't have anything to do much this morning. So I'm working from home this morning. Then my neighbor just called me urgently to come, that something happened to her. So I went out, and then she was now telling me about a drink. That yesterday while she was in her shop, she sells, she fries, she roast fish. So while she was in the shop yesterday, that some of her friends came. They came, and then the normal friends, people that she's very close to, in fact she's very close to them, aside us in the compound, she's very close to those are friends. So they came, they ate fish together, they were together all through yesterday in the evening till she closed from work. So the guys came this morning, just few minutes ago. The guys came, the two of her friends, they came into the compound. So they sat with her, they gist as normal gist, normal things she cooked, and they ate. But then this drink was given to her by the guys yesterday. Yesterday at the shop, they came while they were gisting. They gave her this particular drink. They gave it to her yesterday, but she could not take it yesterday. She now decided to put it inside her containers, inside her plates when she closed. So she didn't take it. She just put it in her plates. So when they came, they were gisting. She now decided to go and carry it. She decided to go and carry it to check what's up. So when she went to carry the drink, she now discovered that there was groundnut oil. The groundnut oil she used in the shop yesterday spilled all over the stuff. So she now started cleaning it. She started cleaning
He
it.
was here now.
See, if you
When
check
I
this
turned
drink, you
it
see that this
upside
drink
down.
is not opened.
I turned it upside
This
down.
drink is not opened. See her here. This is my neighbor. This is her. It happened to her. So she's calling her husband and she's telling him what happened to her. So this drink, you see that the drink is not opened. You see, it's new. So when she carried this drink, she decided to open. She decided to like clean the groundnut oil that spilled all over it. So when she cleaned it, there's something. Somehow she now turned the drink upside down. See what happened. See the drink. She turned the drink upside down and this was what happened. What happened was that the guys that gave her the drink injected the drink with something. If you check the drink very well, you see plenty white particles inside the drink. A lot of white particles inside the drink. Plenty. So what happened was that they cut the cover with razor blades. See, if you see it, you see it here. You see, they cut this cover with yeah, I've pumped it already, babe. Calm down. So the guys cut the
They even
cover.
came this morning safe to check if I gave them food to eat. Jesus!
Babe, I'm explaining this stuff now too. Okay, so when they came, you see that the cover was cut with a razor blade. They cut the cover of the drink with a razor blade, and then they injected something into the drink. You see that there are a lot of white particles inside this drink that they gave their friend yesterday. So the only saving grace was that she didn't take it yesterday, and today she did not rush to take it. And it was that groundnut oil that she was trying to clean from the stuff, because she put it together with her plates. It was the groundnut oil that even saved her. So she cleaned the groundnut oil, and somehow she turned it to clean, and then she noticed this. You see, they poisoned the drink. Had it been she drank this yesterday, she would have died. She would have died, because this thing is poisoned. See, it's poisoned. And these guys came early this morning to come and check on her, something they've never done before. They did it today. They came to check on her today, just a few minutes ago. They ate her food, they were laughing, they were playing, but then they poisoned her drink. See her here, see her hand on her head. See her here. So you see, guys, you have to be careful. You have to be careful out there. Nobody is actually your friend. Nobody is your family. Nobody is your blood. Because this is her pretty daughter now. She would have been like a motherless baby. This is her baby. You see, this is her baby. But wait.
My dear, my advice to everybody in this life, everybody, don't rush to take anything that someone gives to you. Don't rush.
They
Just
asking
take
you that
your
what's the
time.
relationship with the guy.
He's just a friend. He's just a friend. Just someone he comes to. I roast fish, he come to buy fish in my place, so I don't really know what's his own intention, but like seriously, you guys need to be careful with anybody close to you. Please, whatever your friend gives to you, you have to check it very well. You know, try to turn it, check it.
Because
it's okay.
if this evil thing,
Imagine. It's sealed though. It's not. I've not opened it.
You
though.
finish the thing,
It's amazing. I beg.
So guys, that was it though. Honestly, that was it. Adibi, she took this thing. My neighbor for don't buy. This her pretty daughter for don't turn motherless baby. See, that is life. Her friends.
My people, so una don hear wetin dis girl don talk. Yes, this one na better example for the saying say na rats inside house. Na it dey actually go call im friends from outside make dem come finish their madam. As in, na the rats for inside house dey go out go tell the ones outside say there is a party going on in my house. You guys should come. Yes, my people. people. Now for say na person wey e dey inside your circle of confidence na e go easily lego you. If they won't put anything for your food, na your man no man na e go take send you for RIP. This one na better matter for make all of us make we learn say not everybody can be trusted. My people, we go stop this video for here, but before one go, please don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, and to write on the comment section what you think about this video. Of course, turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.